Scientific notation is a very useful way to write numbers that are very small or very large. We use it a lot in the sciences. Imagine the number written out on your screen. It is called Avogadro's number, and we will see it a lot starting in Chapter 6. If we had to write it out every time we did a calculation, not only would it waste a lot of time writing out all the zeros, but we would also inadvertently add or drop the zeros on a regular basis. Not good. We will also find that scientific notation lets us know how good or how precise our numbers are. There are three components to a number written in scientific notation. We are all used to working in base 10, so that shouldn't be a problem. In this class, you won't get anything tricky thrown at you like working in base E. The exponent, the number written as a superscript, tells you how many times the base is multiplied by itself. We will see examples in the next slide. Finally, there is the coefficient, which modifies the base and exponent, so we don't have to deal with severely rounded numbers. Notice how much of this you know already. We know that 10 squared, or 10 to the second, is 100. If we multiply that by 10 again, or cube the 10, we have 10 cubed, or 1,000. Going the other way, notice how the numbers get smaller by one decimal place each time the coefficient gets smaller. We are looking at a crude number line that puts 0 in the center. To the left are negative numbers and to the right are positive numbers. 1 is 1 times 10 to the 0. Negative 1 is negative 1 times 10 to the 0. If our numbers are between 0 and 1, the coefficient will be positive because we have a positive number. The exponent is negative. Greater than 1, both the coefficient and exponent are positive. If we go to the other side of the 0, the coefficients will always be negative. However, the exponent will only be negative if the number is between 0 and minus 1. If the number is more negative than minus 1, the exponent will be positive. In this example, we have a very small negative number. The coefficient is negative because the number is less than 0. The exponent is negative because the number lies between 0 and minus 1. One thing we left unstated before, but must be true when we write a number in proper scientific notation, is that the coefficient must be a non-zero number less than 10. There can only be one digit to the left of the decimal point. For this rather large positive number, note that 1,000 is 10 to the third, so that will be our base with the exponent. Our coefficient is 6.419. We do not drop any digits from our coefficient unless we have a good reason to do so. The website shown at the bottom will send you to a good program for taking numbers in and out of scientific notation. It is strongly suggested you check out the program and practice until you have it down.